日本を旅行中のある外国人女性が日本の食べ歩きをした時の反応がこちらです。
エビの天ぷらが一つ。そうです。ベイビー。とても熱いです。揚げたてです。今まで食べた中で最高のエビの天ぷらです。熱いです。とても熱いです。さつまいものブリュレですよ。みんな、今がその時です。これがさつまいもはキャンディーです。はい、クリームと砂糖で覆われていますが、一番下の層、つまりじゃがいもだけがすごく甘いです。なんてこった。すごく甘い。これは私にとって最高の一口かもしれません。これまでで最高の一口だと言おうとしたところです。この旅行全体で。人生でこんなインディーズは食べたことがありません。そしてこれは私が今まで食べた中で最高のピザです。最高の一口、最高の一口と呼んでいます。最高の一口です。これがマディソンとマイケルが食べた2人が大好きだったトからしをまぶしたご飯です。とても美味しいので2人にトからしを何袋か買ってあげましょう。餅はいちごダウクのような食感です。岩のように硬いです。よし、テッサは栗が大好きだから焼き栗を買ってあげるわ。ベイビー、彼女のお気に入りです。テッサ、梨の木市場の報告をしましょう。3つ数えて私たちのお気に入りの一口を紹介しましょう。1、2、3、さつまいも。
日本を旅行中のある外国人家族は日本のホテルに感動しました。
Wow, look at this. You happy? Do you like it?
Yeah.
So this was a special family room for a special family, but they weren't available, so I brought you two instead. Did you think that was the actual window?
Oh, whoa, look at this.
Oh my goodness, look. You got Toy Story, and you can
Yeah,
see
there's three lots of magic
Disney
in
Sea
here.
over
You've got
there.
to find it.
You happy? What was that magic key then? That's Scarlett. Room tour.
It's time for a room tour. Okay, so you walk in, and to the left you have the bathroom. Oh, let me go back under there. So we have two of these tiara things. We'll find out what they are later. We've got two kids' dental sets, two vanity sets, a comb, shaving kit, and 4 dental kits. And then we have body lotion, hand wash, face towels, cups, more face towels, and more of these towels. I did not know anything.
日本を旅行中のある外国人夫婦はくら寿司に行き感動しました。
This is perfect.
Since I've been in Japan, we have had some amazingly fresh sashimi, which honestly was 10 out of 10. And this is our first like sushi train style sushi, which I'm very excited for. So they have this game here. So every 5 plates that you eat, you like get to win one of these balls that are up the top here. And if you win a ball, you have a chance of then winning a prize. So I think it's just like their way of encouraging you to eat more. Max eats a lot, so I feel like we're definitely going to get at least 2 chances.
Oh my gosh, so there's 2 belts. One is like choose what you like, and the other belt is like the one you ordered to come to you. So we push.
Push it, and then take it.
First one.
Oh my god, it's coming!
Look! Oh, it's so cool.
I got
That's
my
some
sushi
good-looking
delivered.
salmon.
This plate was only 150 yen.
Salmon? No, what is this one?
That might be tuna. That looks like tuna.
You want it?
Yeah.
I gotta be careful because it's so easy to order on this thing.
Oh my gosh, I'm so happy, you guys.
Ah,
So you don't have to be like, is it
yes!
日本を旅行中のある外国人男性は和牛の美味しさに驚愕しました。
is preparing all the steaks here. Look, this one here is for you, huh? Production. This one here is special for you. Do you want it?
Thank you very much. Agil, Ag, Gil.
Special for me. You're waiting for me. I already know what it is.
Yeah, so let's go to the next one. So you're getting hungry already.
I feel like eating. Aren't
You hungry? I'm.
not hungry.
But you're going to eat.
Today is the whole day, so you're going to eat everything here. Let's try this beautiful Wagyu right now. You're looking at me with your face. It was.
For whoever came. I even forgot to chew. It was so good, I wanted to swallow it. For someone who came from Askyuho as a cat from the slums, the guy kept yelling at a cart. Those who don't buy it smell like cracker flour. I swear to God he was yelling that in the middle of the street. He ate agyul in Japan, my friend. A fatty victory. My friend, this fat here lubricates the heart. Oh my soul, Fema, this one is my favorite so far. If I had a score, I would give it 1-1. And if I had to give stars, my friend, it would be 25 out of 5 stars. Wow, very good. 1500 was this. Damn, Gil, you can.
Ask for another one. No, I'm converting. I don't think it's possible.
No. I thought it was possible, guys, but it's really expensive. It's not that expensive, but for Fernando it is expensive.
Guys, Ogly is 5. We're really giggly. Did you see? There are 2 cameras here. No, I'm talking here. I'm talking to you, and here I'm talking to you. Very good. Grade 10. Let's move on to the next one now. Production, you're going to eat. I think I'm going to eat another gill.
日本を旅行中のある外国人男性がスイートポテトを初めて食べた時の反応がこちらです。
A minha visão de gordinho vê as coisas de longe. Antes que feche aqui, meu Deus do céu. Não, vai fechar não. Moça, atende eu, por favor. É de batata. É coisa de batata? Ah, não, vim no lugar errado. Esse é diferente. Nossa, meu Deus, é de batata. É tudo de batata. Ai, 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 batata. Ah, o quê? Esse? Can I have one of this? Yes, one. A moeda aqui tá cantando. Moeda é maravilhoso. Compra um monte de coisa aqui. Arigatou gozaimasu. Não, é aqui. Aqui é o nosso próximo. Só que é de batata doce. Hoje é o dia. Dia de comer coisas diferentes.
Ai, tá bonitinho, vai.
Não, bonito é.
Tá bem caprichado.
Ele é diferente, bonitinho. Resta saber o quê? Se é gostoso. O negócio é comer.
A textura parece tão boa.
Pra onde vai tanta comida, gente? Não sei. É bem pastoso, hein? Não termina nunca de mastigar. Bem fofinho, bem pastoso, gostoso. Surpreendentemente bom.
Sério? Tô animada agora.
É o trem de batata doce mais gostoso que eu já vi na minha vida. Esse é bom.
Muito cremoso.
É muito bom.
Muito bom.
Mano, vou dar pra você. Mas se quiser eu compro mais, porque esse é o doce mais gostoso de batata doce que eu já vi. O que você acha desse doce?
É uma das melhores coisas que eu comi aqui no Japão. É muito gostoso. A textura, gente, vocês estão entendendo, é tipo de skate.
日本を旅行中のある外国人男性が日本の自動販売機の性能に感動しています。
Descer isso tudo, a gente vai simplesmente numa das coisas que você tem que fazer no Japão, seja para comer ou seja para beber, que são essas máquinas aqui. A gente vai ver o que tem. Ah, isso aqui tem coca, tem café, tem refrigerantes. Eu vou pegar um suco. Topa no suco? Então aqui, ó, você só põe a moedinha. 120, 130, 140, 150. Deixa eu falar pra você, 150 daria pra você comer já um negócio. A primeira comida que a gente comeu sem ser de Wagyu, hein? Já com 150 você come. Eu vou pegar isso. Peguei o errado. Nossa, é rápida a máquina, né? É muito rápida. Como que essas máquinas fazem tanto sucesso aqui assim, né? E você pode pegar café. O mais comum seria pegar café ou chá, mas pra descer essa comidinha aqui, nós temos que tomar um suquinho aqui, ó. Tá com cara boa, vai.
Suquinho de uva.
É da Coca, eu acho. É bom? Nossa, é muito bom isso aqui. Será que cabe mais alguma coisa na minha barriga? É bom? $400 conto um negócio desse?